Java JDK latest version 25 official website నుంచి easiest method లో how to download install on Windows 11 operating system step by step explain. Google search box లో Java download enter key press. Official link second section లో display oracle.com Java downloads India. Second link click. Oracle official web page complete display. Java downloads. Mouse scroll down. Latest version Java JDK 25 default selected. Java SE development kit 25 downloads. Mouse scroll down. Supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Present Windows. Third option click. Scroll down. Third option x64 MSI installer. File size 181.02 MB. Download section lo third link click. JDK-25_Windows -x64_bin.msi version. MSI means Microsoft installer. Setup file downloading process started. Wait and here downloading process completing. Completed downloading process. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo MSI file display. Select mouse double click. Preparing to install. Setup window lo welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE development kit latest version 25. Window lo first button next click. Download folder minimize. Installation destination folder default path local disk C program files newly created folder Java JDK-25. Second button next click. Java TM SE development kit 25. Window lo first button yes click. Progress window lo status copying new files. Extracting installer Java JDK 25 related set of files. Installation process start. After installation completed, successfully installed. Close button click. Desktop download folder reopen. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Program files folder select. Double click. Java folder select. Double click. JDK-25 folder select open. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Copy option click. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo enter env. Edit the system environment variables first option click. System properties window lo last one button environment variables click. Second option system variable section lo first button new click. First one variable name enter. Java_home enter. Second one variable value mouse right click. Paste option click. First button OK click. System variables section lo path option select. Second button edit click. Download folder reopen. First one bin folder select open. Address bar mouse left click mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Right side top section lo first button new click mouse right click. Paste click. OK click. OK button click and OK click. Java installation verify process. Windows search box lo cmd type. First option command prompt click. Enter the Java text command. Java space --version. Enter key press. Installation latest version Java 25 year release date 2025 month 09 date 16 LTS long time supported version. Run Java shell.